Pay for this na while tumitingin sa Kyra ng mga you don't know how happy my heart. Agwan, here's my birthday cake. December 20, I'm officially 17 years old and I'm... Oh my gosh, I saw Ryan Bang. Po yung picture, yan. But it's so cute. Wow! Gorgeous. May present for Tyron for Christmas. Hot Wheels na Tiger Shark. It's so cute. This is his favorite character sa Hot Wheels. Gonna pay for this na while tumitingin sa Tyron ng mga ibang monster truck kasi wala pa siyang ganito and gusto niya magkaganto kaso laging malaki, walang gantong size. E ngayon may nakita ko. So, ito na lang yung birthday gift ko sa kanya. Not birthday gift, it's a Christmas gift. Here at Terra Nova, ang ganda nung nakita kong sweatshirt. Oh my gosh, it's getting vintage Christmas vibes. Ang perfect niya, so I'm gonna buy this. You don't know how happy my heart is. Ang ganda talaga ng sweatshirt. Papakita ko siya sa inyo sa February. Ang ganda niya. Kasi February ko pa siya susuot. It's so ganda. Hey everyone, it's YL and it's been a while since I vlogged since ang dami talagang stress, ang daming ginagawa. And here's my birthday cake. And we make some photos. Nag-photos kami ganito. Yung mga photos and the photos of the cake. Yan. It's so cute. And later, I'm so tired. Later, for tomorrow, I'm so tired. Alis kami ng friend ko and birthday dinner. And sa Nabe ulit. Nabe Hotpot. Diba? We love there. Doon din ako nag-birthday last birthday ko. So, I'm gonna show you the video later. Pagtapos na kami. Hey everyone, ang dumi ng salamin. But it's my birthday. It's December 20. I'm officially 17 years old and I'm so excited because I'm gonna go to Fisher Mall and eat lang kami doon ng mga friends ko ng McDo. And later we're gonna go to Nabe as usual. Charot. We're just gonna gaya. Yun yung doon ako nag-dinner birthday last year. So dun ulit. But now without my lola. Okay? So it's sad. But we love the food there. Actually, lola ko sobrang love dun. Like samgyup over hotpot. Though totoo naman masarap kasi samgyup 'di ba medyo nauumay ka doon. Sobrang sarap. Yum, yum, yum. So, let's go. First order today, kape from Dunkin' dahil wala akong tulog. Oh my gosh, hindi kayo nakalang sabay pa na ng birthday ko lahat ng Christmas party sa ibang school. Ang daming tao dito. Ano nga po? I smoke a latte.
Sige po, pawig mo.
Ano ba kita?
So, hi guys. Nasaan tayo?
Hindi ko alam.
Nasaan sa kataan?
Yeah.
So, this is Pasqua. What's your name? What's your name? This is Anne. And this is the birthday. How old are you?
Biblip ko yun. I'm 17 years old.
And I'm... Wag nang alamin. Nandito kami ngayon sa... Ayoko na mag-English. Nandito kami ngayon sa... SM sa Handaan.
Let's try the cake. Sabay tayo.
I want to.
Yeah, I'll get ka. Get. Help kita. Huwag mong kunin si Yui. Gusto ko yan. Oh. Sabay tayo. Eat. 1, 2. Show mo. 1, 3. Go. Yummy. We're back at Nabe. So, and ito, add ko yung egg yolk. So this is the sauce. Really Japanese because there's a raw egg. Egg yolk lang dapat yung lalagay, yung egg white. You can put it sa soup.
Sige, dip mo. Sige siya mag-dip. But it's hot. Dip niya lang. You want more?
We're here at Raynham. It's December 21. And I'm 17 years old. I think this is our last ball before Christmas. Kasi malapit na magpasko. So, tomorrow I'm gonna go home to Valenzuela to celebrate another birthday celebration with my mom's fam. And now, siguro mag-shopping lang sila dito ko. And we're gonna eat Frankie's. But, gutom na ako. Hindi ko alam, nag-lunch naman ako. Pero gutom na ako ngayon. Feeling ko eat na lang ako ng McDo or Jamaican pag nag-shopping sila. Quick stop sa Coco before going to SM North. I got super favorite slush na matcha with salty cream. And now, nasa Nike store. And I'm gonna follow them. Ayun. Doon silang store. So ako ng Nike. Waiting for them kasi ang tagal nila. And ito yung kind ng milk tea. Milk tea. Na, oh my gosh, I saw Ryan Bang. Natigil ako sa pag-iinom ng milk tea. Na-starstruck ako. Starstruck. I'm still drinking Coco. Nasa Adidas naman sila. Since bawal lang mga drinks sa shop. So, nasa labas lang ako. Doon ako. Doon sa other side, sa Nike side. Tapos, nagulat ako. Bang uminom ako ng Coco. Nakita ko si Ryan Bang. Nagdakad. Sabi ko, is that Ryan Bang? Tapos, yung girl na kasama niya, sabi niya, yes, tumango. Eh di, yun nga, tinitingnan ko lang sila, hindi na nagpa-picture kasi nakakahiya. Tapos, may isang girl, nagpa-picture siya. So, sabi ko, can you take a picture to after nilang mag-picture? So, yun. Ito po yung picture. Yan. Sana si Vice and Ann naman na next. Buuin natin yung Showtime Family Cast. Charot. So, we're gonna go to SM North dahil walang Frankie's dito. And yun ang gusto namin. Tapos, titingin din ako ng H&M kasi nagulat ako sa t-shirt ng tita ko. Ang ganda. In fairness, yun yung mga vibe ko sa shirt, mga vintage vibe. H&M daw niya nabili, 600 lang. So, sana meron pa for boys kasi gusto ko yung ganong style. And baka bumili din ako if meron ganon. We're at the second mall. We're here at SM North. We're gonna buy... Ano bibili natin? Uniqlo. Buying gifts. They're gonna buy gifts because I don't have money. And we're gonna eat Frankie's. Sana meron pa. Buying gifts. Frankie's. But it's so cute. I want to buy the bubblegum one. Can you buy me bubblegum? Huh? For kids? So cute though.
Wala na nga. Di ba yun na lang?
Bubblegum nga. Ito, tong pink. Ha? Why?
Para sa sanitizer lang.
The paper bag was cute. Look at her. She looks angel. the cheese. Yum, yum.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I have a gift
Ano yan, Tokwa?
for Gavin.
Yay!
Yung asukal na...
Yay!
That's my Christmas gift. This is my Christmas gift and this Nina's Christmas gift for Gavin.
Thank you! Thank you! It's so cute!
I'm gonna give this to Jet. Regalo ko, regalo ni Tita Jet. Regalo ni Tita Pong. Pero nakabukas na yung regalo dahil di ko alam bakit. Hello. Hello.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you kay Kuya. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. We're here at Livestock. We're here at Livestock. What a nice place. Ang ganda ng place niya, in fairness. And we're eating crispy pata in sinigang. So cute, oh. Like a pig intestine made of chemical. Chemical? Anong tawag dito? Mechanical pala.
Salamat po sa pagkakas. At dinadalangin po namin ang pagkain.
Wow! It's so lambot! It's December 23 tomorrow. 24. Noche Buena. Tama ba? Or Buena Noche. This is the beef. It's for mechadong baka. Put a little pepper, little soy fish. Soy fish? Little fish sauce. For chicken inasal, we need lemongrass or tanglad para yung aroma ng tanglad is mag-mix sa aroma ng ginger and other and so on. So loud. Separate the moto. Para tomorrow, well, season na siya. So I'm done with the marination thing. And the pampalambot. Chicken in a salt check. Steak check. Mechado check. But pero hindi pa malambot yung sobra. So gorgeous. I'm gonna open. So it's open Ate Pearl's gift. That girl.
Teka lang, ano nangyayari? Teka, nanonood lang ako dito. Umili lang ako.
Yan yung babasabihin.
This one is
Ayan. Kasi di ba pag laging
Ako makakita.
laging yung inuutusan si Yuri sa labas. Ayan,
oo nga,
facial.
para pag may
Yeah, it's cold.
Kasi
It's
yung-
icing.
At-
Huwag ka mahilig.
Icing.
Pag inuutusan si Yuri sa
Grabe
Hindi, kasi yung atmosphere sa labas, di ba?
Pag
dirty na.
naiinitan siya lagi, huwag ka mahingi. Dahan-dahan mo.
So, meron tayong facial wash maraming.
Ay, need siyang ilagay sa ref?
Hindi naman. No need na. Basta pag ginamit mo siya, doon mo malalaman. I think gamitin mo siya pag sobrang init na init ka outside.
Electric fan mo.
Dahan-dahan na.
Ay, small ball.
Manipis lang siya eh.
Manipis lang.
Ang tawag sa kanya,
Oh,
eyeglasses holder na.
Uy, may ganyan ako! Papel melote yan, di ba?
Oo, pero chef kasi.
Ay, oo nga.
Tapos nilalagay daw yung salamin. Ayun, ganun.
Bago pa naman salamin niya.
It is.
Ganyan.
Mali.
Oh.
Mali agad. Ganyan
Pero
ka
parang
maglagay sa
ganon.
ilong mo.
Oo, ganun
Oh, yung
purpose
cute. Tas
niya.
ano, chef siya.
Oo.
Chef.
Hindi ko
No,
gago.
not like that.
Sabi ng Papa Meredith, Ma'am, baka ano mabasa. Sabi ko, hindi na siya mag-chef pag
Yan, oo, yan.
Parang ganito.
Oo,
Oh.
ganyan
So
siya.
cute. Ang thoughtful at chef.
Kaya siguro hindi
Or matagal.
Can't you see I just I walk dusting off my wings, I go hovering high up. I'm shaking off the weight, I don't need it all.
I'm a amateur tutor.